Uh, 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 oh. Oh. Ba-da-do-do-do. Listen, cause I'm preaching to the choir. Can I get the mic a little higher? Give me a desire. Give me a desire. I can be the star, you're a lion. You want, you wanna chill, you can't look away. No, no, come in and save, save you. Hello, my sister is doing something, so she's gonna come in a bit. Intermission muna. Ads muna bago sa video, diba? Lagi naman ganun sa YouTube. Preaching to the choir. Can I get the mic a little higher? Give me your desire. I can be the star you rely on. You don't wanna chill, you can't look away. Don't you know I'm here to save you? Anyari kay Ate Julia. Hi, Nico! Hi, Rutherfordium. Where's Jules? Wait for her, guys. Wait for her, guys. She's coming. She's coming in a bit. Excuse me. I'm subbing in for intermission. Bakit ganyan yung E mo, Rutherfordium? It's E with the line on top, not the soup. Joke lang, it's okay. Hello, Lemonade. Thank you for following. Wow! Parang di bagay malit kay Ate Julia. Grabe ka, somebody. Hello, somebody. Welcome to the live, everybody. So, sinasabi mong pangit sa akin yung mullet? Wait lang. Pangit ba sa akin yung mullet? Hello, dump_KVSZSKS. Wait, where's Ate Julia? She's coming in a bit. Nakamalit na pala si Ate Julia. Ano ba, guys? Guys, ano ba? Guys, ano ba? Ang ginagawa nyo, guys? Ano ba? Anyways, intermission po. Golden. I was a ghost, I was alone. Feel ko masyado mataas yun para sa akin. I was a ghost, I was alone. Touching up, just okay. Why? Who you? I'm the brother. No. Gonna do. I was a queen that I'm meant to be. May piercing ka pala. What? Guys, stop calling me Julia, guys. I live both lives, try to paint both sides. What? I was supposed to start? I thought I was intermissioning. I couldn't find my own place. Got a problem child, cause I got so wild.
You have to read out what you're laughing at so people understand.
Julia Tankville. Don't laugh at that, guys. Don't laugh at Tankville, guys. What year? I'm first year, guys. I'm younger, even though I look older. Now that's how I'm getting paid. Could I sing on stage?
I don't think you're allowed to sing. You're allowed to sing on YouTube.
Yeah, you're allowed to sing here.
No, but I'm gonna upload it on YouTube.
Oh. No, but this doesn't have the beat, so it won't get copyrighted. It's just my voice. I'm done hiding.
Hello, Nico.
I'm shining like I'm born to be.
Off now. Go to the side. We're gonna start.
She's evicting me, guys.
Now use it.
Where's the pole?
Time for you to shower, bro.
Where's the pole? Pole. This one? Here?
No.
Where? Where's the pole? I want pole.
Wait.
Please. Quick pole.
Serenor said stay. So.
Okay, guys. Happy face if you want me to stay. Sad face if you want me to leave.
Happy face stay.
Happy face to stay. Sad face to leave.
I didn't tell you to leave.
Someone said
I
A.
didn't tell you to leave. I told you to go to the next side.
Oh.
To the side. Happy face, stay in the center. Sad face, we're gonna start reviewing now.
I can live, laugh loud.
Happy face, review. Review by 1-1. Sad face, leave. Wait, they're not even answering. There's like 200 people.
What? Guys, answer the poll, guys. Happy face if you want me to stay and do the review. And then Sad face if you want me to leave. Someone said E. The answer is not E, guys. Oh. Someone's spamming sad faces. Y'all are so mean to me.
Like just one person.
Yeah.
Okay, happy face one. So I guess we're sticking for that. For now, you can do this first question and then.
I don't want to do this one.
Well, too bad.
No.
We're going by number. So we're starting, guys, with number 82.
Okay,
well,
guys.
fine if you don't want that.
Give me an easy
They're
one.
all hard. That's the end, bro.
Okay, we can try it then.
Do you know? No, you don't know equation of the line.
This one?
There's a part here we haven't studied.
Oh, look, it's my scores.
No, later.
Oh.
Talk.
Brrr.
Simplify
I'm
radicals.
done hiding, now I'm shining like I'm born to be.
Oh, we answered it.
'Cause we are hunters, voices strong, and I know I believe we're going up, up, up. It's how we're moving. You know together we're glowing. Gonna be golden. Oh, up,
Here,
up,
do you know
up,
quadratic
our
equations?
voices. Quadratic? No, I think I don't know. I don't
Problem
remember
solving.
anymore. Sure. We can do this.
Okay, we're starting with problem solving, guys.
Hello, guys. It's number 25. The length of a rectangle is... Oh, we're starting the review right now, guys. Okay?
This is the PTS Mathematics Reviewer. So, yes.
The length of a rectangle is 9 centimeters less than 3 times its width. If the area is 30 square centimeters, find the length and the width. So, let's put that into an equation. So, length equals...
They said they can't see.
Do I zoom this in?
Just, yeah.
So, length times...
Hi, Isa Lenore. Do you guys see it or no?
Can you guys see it?
Just go, just keep it.
With 3 width, sorry. 3 width minus 9. That is the
Hello, Lay.
the equation for our length. And so the area of the square is 30 centimeters. Area equals 30 centimeters, which is length times width. If yes. What do I do now?
The area is 30 square centimeters. What do you do now?
We reverse it, right? Don't we just
How
put
do you
in
look for it? How do you look for length and width?
length and width from the area?
You have both L and W. You have W here.
Oh.
What do you do with the L there?
So, wait, what?
You have L is equal to here.
So, we put them together, right, guys? So 3W minus 9, like this,
Times W.
times W.
Don't put an X.
Oops. W
Okay.
equals 30 centimeters. Okay. 30.
So why did we make it equal to... Why did you change the L to that?
Because these are equivalent, guys. So we can change L from here into this because they're equal. So what we do now is we find W because we left W. Okay?
Sorry, Nor said let him cook. Your number one
So,
fan right now.
What we do when we have the variable outside is we multiply it to the ones inside.
Someone said BBE, brother.
What's BBE?
And when you watch PBB, You can BBS to save somebody and then BB8 if you want to evict them.
2 votes po
BB8.
para kay Trey kasi nang e-evict po ng tao nang wala namang karapatan. Anyways, so we put the W inside. So now we have 4W minus 9W, right?
Why would it become 4W?
Because
You're multiplying. What happens when you multiply 3W?
Oh,
times
sorry.
W?
3W squared W squared minus 9W
Is
is
equal to,
equal to 30.
and then, how do you solve that?
We find W. So, we can, what do
Somebody
we start
said
with?
there's a UP reviewer. Can somebody send it to my Gmail, guys? Send me the UP reviewer. But we're not allowed to show it on screen. As
Thank
far
you,
as
Nico.
know. And you're not allowed to send it to me, technically. But if you want to send it, it's okay. Just one person send it to me.
So, we can square root them, right?
No.
We
We
divide,
get the roots. How do you get the roots?
find the common.
You know the bubble like this? The 2 parentheses?
Like this? Like foil?
Yeah.
So,
How?
what's the roots? I'm so dumb.
Make it, how will you equate it to 0 first?
We plus 9W. And then we
So
also...
IG channel is send solutions. Nico, I'm scared. Like, if I post the solutions, is that illegal?
Yes, that's illegal.
Because you're not allowed to show the question. But if I don't include the question, is that illegal? Move 30, King. Listen to them. Move 30.
Okay, move 30 to the other side.
Yes.
So 3W squared
Meet na
minus
lang.
9W
I'm afraid that somebody's gonna record it and then I'm gonna be cancelled. So
equals
we have to find
0.
a way to answer the UP test without getting cancelled.
Right?
Yes.
And then
What do you do next? What can you notice about all three? What are they? What's
W
the common
is going
factor?
down.
No, what's a common factor?
3.
So we can divide all of it by 3 first.
So W squared minus 3W minus 10 equals 0.
And then now try to solve for the root, which is the reverse FOIL method. Change the values na lang. Oh, that's smart, Nico. Okay, I might make last year I made TikTok videos where I changed the values kinda. Or changed the names. No, you're not late, Mythical, we just got in here. How do you solve for that? So you have to look at the end number, guys, which is negative 10. And then what are the factors of negative 10? It can be like 5 and 2.
5 and 2.
And
2.
then you have to think about, from those values, not yet, from those values, how will they add up to negative 3?
What do you mean? Oh! I think it has to be
Draw the bubbles.
bubbles.
Then you have to put the W on the, yes, W. And what, wait, it's not to be plus. Okay, plus and minus
Because it's negative.
so which is the plus and which is the minus?
To get negative 3, we need the positive 2 and the negative 5.
And the W will be,
The
solve for it, equate to 0. So what's W equal to?
W is equal to
Down
either...
here.
Oh, sorry. What?
Put it, like, separated. W
W is equal to negative 2 or 5.
and the answer is
Letter... I'm wrong.
wait, that's a question. No, you're not wrong. You have to know that this is W. So which one is the W, guys? Guys, which one's the W? Is it negative 2 or 5? When we're talking about with, which is the W?
I say it's 5.
No, I say.
Because it's positive. You can't have a negative length.
Yes, so you can't have a negative length.
So now that we have W as 5, we solve for L, which is 3, 5 minus 9, which is 15 minus 9, which is equal to 6. L
so
equals
the answer
6.
is
Width is 5 and length is 6. I mean,
yes. Length is 6, width is 5, which is letter...
Letter C.
You have to put the letter over there. Letter C. Did you guys get that? Or was it... Do you have any questions?
Guys, you guys are so smart, guys. Think about it. I passed the UPCAT, the ASET, and the OSTET, and I'm really dumb. So, you guys got this.
Oh, someone sent me the UP reviewer. You don't have to send it anymore.
Okay. Next
Shout
one.
Out. Shout out to... I'm not gonna name you so nobody snitches on you.
A plane flies 300 miles with a tailwind in 1 hour. What does that mean? It takes the same plane 2 hours to fly 300 miles when flying against the wind. What is the plane speed in still air? So 300 with a tailwind, 200
It
against
says
the wind.
taking a test with another person is not allowed. What the frick? Engaging in any dishonest activities will results. That's crazy. Okay, it's kind of scary, guys, to answer the UP test. But let's see. Go. A plane flies 300 miles with a tailwind in 1 hour.
I have an answer, but I don't know how to solve
It
for it.
takes the same plane 2 hours to fly against the wind. What is the plane's speed in air? What's
1,
your answer?
75, 2, like that.
Nope. Why don't you just be on the side? We're gonna put up the poll again.
No, don't leave. Don't
BBS
vote me out, guys.
BBS or BBE one Albi. BBS or BBE Albi. Wait, I'm gonna put up the poll. People need to learn today. Happy face, stay BBS. Sad face BBE.
I flopped the challenge. What's it called?
The what?
The when they have challenges, when they have
Challenge.
games.
Oh, like the task.
Yeah, I
Weekly
failed
task.
at the weekly task.
Wait, people aren't starting it. Oh, start the poll. The poll is starting. Happy face BBS Albi. Sad face BBE.
No, they hate me.
BBE. Happy face. Stay sad face. The way they gave you a chance. They gave you a chance.
I failed you guys. I failed you guys.
They gave you such a big chance.
They hate
24.
me.
Happy face. Albi will stay. Sad face. Albi must go. Albi must go to the side.
They hate me.
The way people on YouTube won't see this poll.
They hate me.
Happy face. 18 seconds, guys. Use your ability to vote.
Guys, exercise your right to vote for me to stay.
The way is kind of half though right now.
It's like 1:2.
You have 33% of voters.
Damn, guys.
You're not even appealing.
It's okay. I give up.
BFF. What does that mean? Okay.
Bye, guys.
You said you can go on the side.
I'm gonna shower.
Yes, you should shower.
Call me stinky in front of all these people.
The way you don't smell him right now, guys.
You don't lie. They're gonna believe you.
Stinky.
Don't lie.
Stinky.
They're gonna
Aw.
believe you.
Ano, stinky.
Are you for real?
No, go. But
Okay.
you have to shower.
Don't call me stinky.
Shower with
Wild
Ash.
card. Wild card.
Later.
Wild card.
Comes back later.
What's the ano? You're gonna ask me the questions.
After you shower.
You're gonna ask me the questions. You're gonna be like, deserve. I think deserve nila Ate Shubi na bumalik sa competition.
Who deserves to stay?
Pero hindi namin ibibigay yung spot
Oh.
namin.
Later you have a defense.
I have a defense.
Okay.
bye-bye. I'm gonna shower.
We come back. Okay, guys, we're answering this question, which is a motion question. OA and nonchalant. Pag nakaligo ng less than 5 minutes. Matagal siya maligo, guys. Mga 30 minutes. So we have a lot of time. When is the Ateneo entrance exam? It's either October or November. So you still have time to study. UPCAT comes first. So if you guys want to get into UP, UPCAT will be first. A plane flies 300 miles with a tailwind in 1 hour. It takes the same plane 2 hours to fly the 300 miles when flying against the wind. What is the plane's speed in still air? So, release ng Aboitiz, Nico, I think this July or August yung announcement. But yes. Thank you, Darsh. Welcome back to the live, guys. Your future is bright like this person who was watching the live last year. So make sure to share, guys. There's not a lot of people today, but we are here today. Maybe until before 10. Okay, we're gonna be here for an hour. Blurred? Is it blurry? Okay. How do we help? Okay. We're starting with the motion problem. So, when it comes to motion problem, for example, upstream, going up the stream of a river, syempre mahirap yun, diba? Kasi, against the current ka. Tapos, meron din ng down the current. Around November din ang UST. Same lang ba yung ACET exam if applies transferee? As far as I know, hindi siya same. Malapit na panood lahat ng video mo. Wow, congrats R. Yes, I upload every single video on YouTube, guys. Wow, thank you, Renz. Welcome back to the live. Renz passed UPLB BSCE. Mahirap yung civil eng, guys. So, you know it's legit. Okay, what do we do? Upstream and downstream. So, basically, when you're with the tailwind, diba tumutulong yung tailwind? So, that's X. X is the speed of the plane, plus Y, which is the speed of the wind, which is equal to 1R. And then X minus Y is equal to 2. Ganun ba yun? Parang di ganun yun. Parang, 1R. Dapat pala equal to a rate. Equal to rate siya. So, 300 miles in 1 hour is equal to 300 over 1. So, that's 300. Is that how it works? 300 yung speed niya. And then, for this one, it will be 300 divided by 2. So, its speed is 150. Is that correct? And then, now we have to solve for... Wait, you got the right answer. What? What are you gonna do? Shout. So, how do we solve for this, guys? Oh, they said you replied one. I'm gonna pin you. Can't you pin yourself? Go chat, and then I'll mod you. What's the answer, guys? I'm gonna put up a poll for the people who want to guess. Hello to the people new here. We just started putting up the poll so you can guess. It's over there, the purple. You're not late. We just started. This is like our second question pa lang. Wait, where's your question on? I'm gonna pin comment and then there. Add moderator. One I added you. Pin comments. Okay. So, what's your answer, guys? Is it letter B or C? Letter B or C? Mali na pindot. Uulitin ko ba? I think you can change your answer. My brother's now a mod. If you want to follow him, he's over there. His name is Albi. So, now we have x plus y is equal to 300 and x minus y is equal to 150. Number 26 on page 61. Page 61, number 26. So, we are back in medyo algebra type of questions. So, yes. This is page 61 of the PTS Mathematics Reviewer. How do I vote on the poll? The poll is over there on the top left corner. Back over there on top, somewhere over here. You just click the button, tapos, yes, vote on the poll. And then, what do we do, guys? How do we solve for x? Ang gagawin dyan is systems of equations. Basically, when we add these two, add natin tong dalawa. Add natin downwards. This will become 2x, diba? Add this 2, it will be 2x. And then when we add this 2, magiging plus y and minus y is equal to 0. So, mawawala na si y. And pag na-cancel si y, makukuha natin yung 300 plus 150 is 450. Now, you just have to divide both sides by 2 to find x. And x is equal to, what's the answer? 225. Letter B. Did you guys get letter B? Hala, letter C ang sagot nyo. Bakit letter C, guys? Bakit letter C ang sagot? Can somebody explain? Or is it just C for Christ? Do you guys want another example of this same? Letter B. Did you guys get letter B? From the top ulit, okay, I can explain it again with another question, okay? What are the possible topics? This book actually has all the topics. So, when it comes to math, the topics are Geom, Algebra, Gen Math, and I think some little trigo. Okay, so yun yung mostly nakasama. And a lot of word problems like this one. Kita nyo pa ba, guys? Do I have to make it bigger? Okay. There. Wrong? Are you saying it's wrong? Tama ako. Malabo daw siya. Okay. We're gonna make another example na ako ang gagawa. Wait. Okay, we're gonna make another example over here. When this is a boat. When the boat goes up the river, PBB. When the boat goes up the river, when the boat goes up the river, it takes, yung speed niya is 150. 150 meters per hour. When it goes down the river, the speed is 350 meters per hour. What is the speed of the boat? The boat is sinking. What is the speed of the boat kapag in still water? In still water. So, ibig sabihin, yung boat kasi, may motor yan, diba? May motor yung boat over here. Motorboat siya. And then, pag paakyat siya, against siya sa current. Hi, baby! Against siya sa current. So, nahihirapan siya umakyat. Kaya, yun na yung x minus y. So, yung x kasi dito is the rate of the boat. Yung x plus y is the rate of the boat pag pababa siya ng river. Pag bagal naman ng 150 meters per hour. Yes. Hi, baby. What's the answer? Did you guys get it? So, x plus y is equal to 350. Bakit 350? Kasi mas mabilis nga siya pag pababa ng river. Kasi kasama niya yung current. Pero pag pataas ng river, 150 lang siya. Kasi against siya sa current. So, lumalaban siya sa current. Still 225. Let's see. I don't know the answer actually. I haven't taught science, guys. At this point, how many days do we have left? 13, 15 days left. Guys, you have 2 weeks left to study. Are you scared? I'm scared for you guys. So, all you have to do is add it up. This is actually my favorite word problem kasi madali lang siya. Laging ganito ang word problem na may current. So, saan to nagagamit? When it's uphill, when somebody says uphill and downhill, when somebody says against the wind and with the wind, nakakatatot. And when somebody says sa river, paakyat ng river, pababa ng river. So, doon siya nagagamit yung, I don't know if it's called a motion problem or current problem. Yes. So, all you have to do is add this up. That's 2x. Laging makancel si y, so wala yan. X siya. And then, that's equal to 500. 350 plus 150 is 500. Divide both sides by 2. And x is equal to 250. So, 250 meters per hour. I don't know how slow that is. Oh, yeah, that's really slow. Y minus if pataas po and plus if pababa. Remember, okay, so, di ba, ito yung river. Ito yung river. Pag kasama mo yung current, alam niyo yung, how do I explain it? If kasama mo yung wave, if the wave is going this way, tas papunta ka din dito, bumibilis ka, di ba? Kasi, kaya siya plus, kasi bumibilis ka kapag kasama mo yung flow ng water. Kasi, hindi ka mahirapan. Pero if against ka, lumalaban ka sa flow ng water, edi, mas babagal ka, di ba? Yes. Hindi na po gaget yung y value. Pwede siyang i-ask. If they ask the question, di ba yung question dito is, what is yung x kasi is the rate in still water. So, ibig sabihin, kapag wala daw gumagalaw na current, yun yung rate in still water. Pero if they ask what is y, pag tinanong what is the rate of the current, so ano yung speed ng mismong tubig na tumutulong sa'yo? Yes. What is the speed of the water? That is the rate of the current. So y naman yung hinahanap dun. So what is the speed of the current dito, guys? Ano yung y dito? All you have to do is ibalik natin. So solve natin dito sa taas. X plus y is equal to 350. So, that would be 250 plus y is equal to 350. And then, transpose lang natin to the other side. Okay po ba to sa LET, the LET? I'm not sure. License, is that a teacher exam? Wala pa akong nakikita ang mga practice test ng teacher exam. So, yes. Downstream is plus and upstream is negative. Yes, V. Where do I get my questionnaires? If you're new here, guys, welcome to the live. The free reviewers are over here on Instagram. And by the way, UP emailed everybody daw today. Ano yung in-email nila? Oh, they emailed people the practice test. So, yes. Hahaha. Walang pre-cal mostly, I think. You're welcome, Kai. Just check out my Instagram and join the IG channel. What's the answer here, guys? Ano yung y? Can somebody tell me what y is? You move it to the other side so it becomes negative 250. And then y is equal to 100. Good. Ala, but 150, Miguel. Ha? 150 ba? Di ba 100? Yes, Jam. I think it's 100. And Riley and Shomai. Anong grade po to para maiwasan? This is for the UPCAT. So, pero grade 8 namin to inaral as far as I know. Grade 8 inaral, tapos kailangan pa rin siya hanggang sa reviewing for the UP College admission test. Okay. Wait, actually, let's keep it there. Next question. Hala, solution type question naman. Kita nyo ba? How many gallons of 80% salt solution must be mixed with 40 gallons of a 23% solution to obtain a solution that is 70% salt? Halang hirap naman nun. Wala po ba dyan chem of engineering? I have a friend that's chem eng, if that's your question. Pero wala pa in-aral dito na for chem eng specifically. So, 80% salt solution. I'm gonna teach you guys how to solve solution type problems. So, ang gagawin dyan, guys, idadrawin nyo muna. Diba, ito yung unang bottle plus second bottle is equal to third bottle. The third bottle. So, you just have to draw it like this. Tapos, how many gallons of 80% salt? So, lagay natin dito yung 80. Kung ilang percent yung given, must be mixed with 40 gallons of 23%, wag nyo na ilagay yung percent, to obtain 70%. 70%. So, yung tanong dito is, given dito si 40 gallons, so dito natin lalagay yung weight sa baba, that's 40 gallons. Hala, di ka pumasa, it's okay, maybe UP wasn't for you, or you could transfer in if you did not pass UP. Bawal daw i-share publicly ang UP, UP reviewer. So, baka mapagalitan tayo, kaya hindi natin siya pwede sagutan. Yes, ME is hard, but it's doable. Okay, what do we do next, guys? So, wala tayong X dito, and wala tayong Y dito. So, dun mo na ilalagay yung X and Y. So, when it comes to problems like this, lagi siyang may X and Y, okay? Now, what do we do? Alam kasi natin, yung dalawang equation natin is X plus 40 is equal to Y. We're gonna do a systems of equations similar dun sa current example. So, X plus 40 is equal to Y. Bakit X plus 40 is equal to Y? Weight kasi to, guys, diba? So, kung 100 ml to, 100 ml, ay gallons pala, 100 gallons, I don't know how to write gallons, plus 40 gallons is equal to 140. So, di lang natin alam yung amount ng X and Y. Pero, ang hinahanap kasi natin, anong hinahanap ba natin, guys? Is it X or Y? Given the problem, what are we looking for? Is it X or Y? The question says, how many gallons of 80% salt solution? How many gallons of X po? Bakit may E yung X mo? X daw. Pin comment. Ay, hala, nawala. Pin comment. X, guys. X ang hinahanap, okay? Saan po nanggaling yung 100? Ay, ano yan? Example lang yan. Okay? So, yes, walang 100 dyan. I'm just saying now, X plus 40 is equal to Y. Ito yung unang equation natin. X plus 40 is equal to Y. And then our second equation, let's look for a second equation. Our second equation, you have to multiply this and this. So, that's 80x plus this, and this. So, that will be 80x plus 23 times 40, ang laki naman nun, is equal to 70y. Bakit siya gumagana? Because yung percent solution mixed by, tama na please, mahirap talaga to guys. I mean, madali lang siya actually. Madali lang pag-gets mo na. This is my, hello, welcome to the live, Peko. If you guys are new here, make sure to follow. You have 15 days left till the UPCAT. So, can't we just remove y and make it x plus 40? And then, you have to look for y pa rin eh. So, I think you can't really remove y. Okay, what do we do next, guys? So, ang gagawin natin next, we have to solve for this. But technically, bawal ang calculator, guys. So, you can't just shift solve it, okay? You can't shift solve it. So, what I would do is, kailangan kasi, ilipat natin yung y on this side, tapos ilipat natin yung number on this side. So, let's make this minus y is equal to 40 and minus 70y. It's just easier to solve that way. Para kamukha niya din yung ganito. Tawag kasi dito is systems of linear equations. So, kailangan natin gawing in the form of x plus y is equal to the coefficient number. Bawal calcu sa UPCAT, guys. Bawal calcu sa UPCAT. Negative 40 ba siya? Yes, negative 40. And then, is equal to negative, what's 23 times 40? 23 times 40 is, 23 times 4 is 80, 92. 92? Yes. Thank you, Netan. It's 920. Now, what do we do next? Now, look at this number, guys. We're looking at these two numbers. Ano ang kailangan natin? Diba x ang kailangan natin? So, pag x yung kailangan natin, I'm gonna teach you how to look for x given these two equations. How to graph x and y. Thank you, Anton. This is not physics. This is multiply negative, yes, narrow. Amazing. So, ang goal natin dito, katulad dito guys, diba dito, x ang hinahanap natin. So, kailangan ma-cancel out si y. Same thing ang gagawin dito sa linear equation, kailangan ma-cancel out si negative y. So, paano siya maka-cancel out? Kailangan mag-add tayo ng plus 70y. So, plus 70y ang need i-add sa taas para ma-cancel out itong dalawa pag in-add natin sila buo. So, ang gagawin natin, am I lagging? Guys, am I lagging or is that? Konti. Okay, I'll just go slower. Let me know if it's... Some people are saying no. Log. Okay. Okay, I'm just gonna try to speak slower, guys. Wait, somebody said, kaya ba ngayon lang mag-review for UPCAT? You still have 2 weeks. I mean, 15 days left is technically so little, but my brother only started reviewing 5 days left before the UPCAT. So, if kaya niya din yun, guys. Kasi hindi naman siya academic person. Wala pa ang results sa exams, pero I'll notify you if perfect. Good luck, Anaheim. Bakit ang bilis? Ang bilis ng what? Oh, bakit ang bilis ng mga araw? So true. Okay, so paano natin gagawing plus 70 ito? How will you make this plus 70? First, you have to multiply. I-multiply natin sa buo. We have to multiply sa buong taas dito. 70, negative 70. Now, bakit negative 70? Kasi, negative na yung number dito. Kailangan natin siyang gawing positive. So, multiply by negative 70 para maging positive yung y over here. So, that will be 70y plus 70y and minus 70x. Tapos, what is 70? Negative 70 plus negative 40 times negative 40, that's 280. 28, positive 28. Positive 28. Bawal ang calculator sa UPCAT, guys. Bawal calculator sa UPCAT. So, you have to be able to solve it on your own. Okay, wait. What do we do next? So, ayan, na-multiply na siya sa 70. Na-multiply na siya sa 70. So, now, all you have to do is i-add na natin sila together. Positive 80 plus negative 70 is 10x. Positive, ito alam natin na cancel out na kasi ang goal nga natin is to cancel it out. So, this will be 0 or basically wala na yan. X. And then, lastly, 28 minus 920. What's the answer, guys? 28 minus 920. Paano po nakuha si 28? Diba negative 40 to? And then times negative 70. So, you have to multiply negative 70 to both sides. 1780? Is it 1? Hala, ba't iba-iba sagot nyo, guys? 1880 it's 1,880. 1,880, right? Yes, 1,880. And then, since 10x yan, divide both sides. Bakit by negative 70? Kasi ang goal natin is to cancel out. Gets ba natin na ang goal natin is to cancel this 2 out? This part over here, kailangan mawala si y kasi x lang ang kailangan natin. So, to cancel that out, we have to multiply yung taas by 70. Kasi yung equation niya kanina ay x minus y is equal to negative 40. So, nag-multiply tayo ng 70 to both sides para maging, ayan, ang equation niya. Okay? So, yes. Hindi ko kailangan si x. Sabi ko pala si x lang kailangan natin. Paano po naging 920? Yung 920, galing siya dito. 23 times 40. So, given siya, guys. Okay? Bakit may negative 70? To cancel out the 70 over here. Okay? To cancel out the 70. Kasi may negative 70 sa baba. And then, we have to divide both sides by 10. And that will leave us with x is equal to 188. Wow, we got that, guys. So, the answer is 188 or letter... I didn't put up the poll. Pero okay, tapos na, guys. So, the answer is letter D. Mahirap siya, guys. Mahirap siya, pero I'll try to look for another example. Meron ba dito? Meron sa dulo ata. Hanap tayo ng example. Remember page 61 in case I ask you later. Hala, may derivative pala dito, pero hindi nyo naman siya kailangan. Word problems, investment problems, coin problems, mixture. Ito yung kanina, guys, mixture problems. Ay, ito pala yun. Mixture problems. So, if you wanna learn yung step-by-step guide, meron din sa PDF na to. It's page 61. Thank you, Daniel. Remember that page later. So, ito yung ginawa natin. So, may box tayo. And then, given ganto, we need to find ganto. Ganon siya, guys. So, I'll give another example. Let's look at example this one. Ay, tatlo siya eh. Kaya ba natin yung tatlo? Okay lang ba sa inyo yun? Ang dami niya. Hanap tayo ng mas madali muna. I'm not a CPA. I studied management engineering, which is not CPA. Hanap tayo ng example. Wait lang, may sample dyan. Problem solving, mixture. A solution consists of 20% acid and the remainder is water. A chemist wants to strengthen this solution. How many liters of acid must be added to 6 liters of the solution to make it a 40% solution? Thank you, Daniel. We'll go back to page 61 later. So, ito yung mixture problem. What are we gonna do? Okay, do you guys want to put up a poll? I'll put up the poll. You can start answering the poll. Wait lang, stop muna. I'll put up a longer poll. Start new poll. I'll make the poll 5 minutes. Okay. Or 10 minutes. 5 minutes. Kaya natin to isolve in 5 minutes. Percent solution, yes. So, this is the mixture problem. So, what we're gonna do, again, draw the squares. So, may isang 20%. A solution consists of 20% acid and the remainder is water. 20% acid, remainder is water. Pag water, guys, so ilang percent yung acid, lagay natin sa gilid. Percent is acid over here, and the remainder is water. So, 0 yung percent niya. And then, a chemist wants to strengthen this mixture. So, laging add yan, guys. By adding, a chemist wants to strengthen, how many liters of acid? So, acid, guys, like full-on acid, ilang percent yung full-on acid? Reviewers in IG Highlights says, if you're new here, the PDF of this na blank is over here on my Instagram. Grade, I just graduated college, guys, so I'm trying to look for a job. Anong grade? Yes, I am new. So, make sure to follow if you guys are new here. We have 15 days left. Thank you, Divine and Apple. Divine and Apple, yes, it is 100%. So, ang idadagdag daw natin ay acid. Diba? This is acid, this is water, and this is the 20%. So, pag acid, 100% solution siya. Is equal to, how many liters of acid must be added to 6 liters of the solution to make it a 40% mixture? So, dapat maging 40% daw to. 40%. The remainder is acid. Okay, wait lang. 40% mixture. 40%. 6 liters of the solution. So, 20% acid lang pala siya. Let's take this off. We don't need that pala. So, all we have is 6 liters daw to. This is 6 liters. 6 liters of the solution na 20% acid. Tapos, 100%, ilan daw na acid ang idadagdag to make the solution 40%. So, what are we gonna do here? Thank you, Rars. What course? Management Engineering from Ateneo. Upload, yes, we upload the annotated file after every live. And we also upload the YouTube video, the recording on YouTube at the night. So, what are we gonna do? Remember, first 2 steps, guys. Step 1, etong ilalim. Etong ilalim, first step. 6 plus x is equal to y. First solution, 6 plus x is equal to y. Second, you have to multiply. Multiply this. 20 times 6, this, and this. So, that will be equal to, what will that be equal to? 20 times 6 plus 100x is equal to 40y. Okay, gets ba natin, guys? 20 plus 6, blah, blah, blah. 20 plus 6 plus 100 times x is equal to 40y. This is so hard to, Di mo ba i-delete sa G-Drive? I don't think I will delete it until next year. Yes. You can download it naman, guys. Did you not try to get work like in a company? I just graduated. Like, give me a break. Censor the word job, please. Sure. But yes, I'm still applying, guys. Di naman ako nagmamadali because I want to find a good job. What age? Wala kaming board exam, guys. J-word. Censor the J-word, guys. Okay, what do we do next, guys? So, what we do here, hindi naman kailangan i-move si y, but for me, it's easier to see. So, ilipat natin to make it 6 minus y is equal to ilipat natin si 6 kasi gusto ko yung numbers is nasa right side. So, that will be x minus y is equal to negative 6. What did I do there? Ang ginawa lang natin is we move the 6 to this side. Transpose lang, guys. Okay? Basic transposing. I don't know what the answer is yet. Okay. And then, this is equal to 120. So, that will be 100x. Itatapat ko na yung mga y, okay? 100x minus 40y is equal to negative 120. Okay? Is equal to negative 120. Now, alin yung kailangan natin, guys? Are we looking for x or y? Given this question, I feel like I'm shouting, which is why I keep losing my voice. But yes, my graduation was inside Ateneo. Yes, you're right. We are looking for x. Bakit x ang hinahanap, guys? Ang tanong dito, lagi kayong babalik sa question, okay? The question is, how many liters of acid must be added? How many liters of acid must be added? So, alin yung acid dito? Ito si acid. So, x is acid. Kaya x ang hinahanap natin. I don't know what the answer is. Wag kayo spoiler. Hello, Kira. Welcome back to the live. Yes, if you guys are new here, make sure to follow. X mo na nga hahanapin mo pa. Mahal mo pa rin siguro. No thanks. This is a PSA. We do not go back to our exes, guys. They are exes for a reason. But minsan kailangan mo malaman na dumaan siya sa buhay mo, diba? For a reason. Which is why, kailangan mo pa rin siya i-acknowledge. Kaya, nandito tayo ngayon, hinahanap pa rin natin yung value ng x dito. Char! Okay, what is the answer? Yes, we have the annotated copies over here on my Instagram. Words of wisdom. UPCAT lang inaaral natin, guys. What do we do here? We have to get rid of x. And I see y. Kasi kailangan x lang ang meron. How do we get rid of the y? How do we get rid of the y? Kailangan maging plus 40 ito. Same lang sa kanina. Diba yung kanina plus 70y? And minus 70y. Kasi ang goal natin is i-add up natin to pareho. We're gonna add this, add here, add here, add here. And kailangan ma-solve natin yung equal to y. So, what will we multiply to the equation up here para maging plus 40y siya? What will we multiply? Yes, multiply by negative 40. Multiply by negative 40 kasi para maging positive ito. So, this will become, so itong number na to, akit natin siya, para mamaya. Yes. Multiply by negative 40. Multiply by negative 40. Both sides. So, magiging negative 40x plus 40y. So, ayan siya. Negative 40x plus 40y is equal to positive 240. What's the answer? Hala, kita nyo na ba ang sagot? So, what do we do next? We just add it up together. This added up together will be 60x is equal to, makakancel out na ito, kasi 40y siya, positive and negative 40y, is equal to 120x. Ay, 120 lang. Divide both sides by 60, and that will give you x is equal to 2. Wow! Thank you. That's my childhood bookshelf. X is equal to 2, so ang sagot ay 2 liters. So, 2 liters ang kailangan i-add. Did you get it, guys? Amazing. A Boite Scholarship has not announced, but if you're new here, July or August daw sila mag-a-announce. So far, teasers lang daw ang pwedeng ibigay. Hindi pa daw pwede magbigay ng details. 1 plus 1 sa amin dito, okay na. Wait lang, sabog pak utak ko. Kakatapos ko lang magsagot ng physics. I also don't like physics, so good luck, guys. This is the Samsung tablet. Yum burger method na lang. Why 100? Given siya dito, guys. 100. Remember, first equation is over here, yung yellow. 6x, 6 plus x plus y is equal to y. The orange equation over here is given by multiplying yung nasa gilid. Etong nasa gilid, multiply by nasa baba. Gilid, multiply by baba. Okay? Ganun ang gagawin. Y240. Y240, we multiplied negative 6 by 40. Negative 6 by 40. My major is management engineering. Why negative 120 ang nasa baba? This is 20 times 6. Dito nang galing ang 20 times 6. Kita nyo ba? 20 times 6 is 120. Nilipat natin ang 120 sa kabilang side kasi gusto ko na ang numbers ay nasa right side. Numbers right side, x and y on the left side. More questions? More questions? Saan galing po ang 100? 100 is given, guys. Given, 100x. 100x. Any more questions? Mahirap talaga to, but it's okay. We can do it together. Why didn't you go to UP? Because I had a full scholarship sa Ateneo. I mean, my scholarship, which is a Boite scholarship, pwede ka pumili ng kahit anong school. So, yung friends ko na nasa scholarship din, nag-UP sila, pero ako gusto ko mag-Ateneo. So, yun. Kasi, para ano, diba? Para maiba naman. That's all. Hala, luminaw? Kanina ba lag talaga? Okay, skip ko na lang gandang question. Madali lang yan, guys. Motion. Gusto nyo ng motion? Ay, ito current. Ito yung kanina, guys. Sagutan natin to. A boat can travel 8 kilometers per hour. Ay, sagutan nyo to, guys. Kaka-explain ko lang nito. Thank you, Kaifa. Are you planning to take masters? Not in the near future. I wanna work soon, guys. I wanna be a corporate slave baddie. Char. I wanna be a marketing or sales girly. I wanna be rich, guys. If I go masters, that means less. I don't know yet. Yes, but I wanna get money right now. What is the next part? Hello, Francis. Word problems. Do you have an answer already? Do you have an answer? You bet my favorite color is purple. Everything I have is purple. This is purple. All my things here are purple. You don't see it right now, but here's my comb. It's purple. If I could have gotten a purple iPad, I would have. Yes. You can't read it. A boat can travel 8 kilometers per hour. Guys, if you didn't know, you can zoom in the live, by the way. I think you can zoom in a live. Hindi ba pwede? A boat can travel 8 kilometers per hour in still water. If it can travel 20 kilometers downstream in the same time that it can travel 12 kilometers upstream, what is the rate of the stream? So, stream na yung hinahanap dito. You're on a PC? Oh. If you're on a PC, I don't know what to do. So, what are we gonna do? A boat can travel 8 kilometers in per hour in still water. Remember, yung ano gagawin natin dito is x plus y. X is the boat in still water, y is the current, is equal to something, x minus y is equal to something. Tapos, need mo siya i-add up depending on kung ano yung hinahanap mo. So, yan ang gagawin natin, which is a system of linear equations. ChatGPT is not the key. You cannot take ChatGPT with you to the UPCAT. That comment got me allergic. Guys, don't rely on ChatGPT, okay? Okay, what do we do, guys? So, 8 kilometers per hour in still water. Ibig sabihin, x is equal to 8. X is equal to 8. Kasi, x yung time without, yes, it's in still water. So x plus y, gagawing 8 plus y is equal to something, and 8 minus y is equal to something. Yung something na yun, guys, is the rate. So, dapat yung speed ang hinahanap natin. How do you apply for scholarship in Ateneo? I have, go to my profile. You can stalk me. I have an album or a playlist for Ateneo scholarships. And a Boytel scholarship, meron din dun. What do we do next? If it can travel 20 kilometers downstream, in the same time, 20 downstream, in the same time, it can travel 12 kilometers upstream. Same time daw eh. Ano ba ibig sabihin ng same time? Kasi yung ginawa natin kanina is distance. Remember the triangle? Remember the triangle na d over t times r. So, distance over time times rate. The way you use this, if you don't know how to use this triangle, kunyari, rate ang hinahanap mo, or speed, tatakpan mo lang siya. So, speed is equal to distance over time. So, ang kailangan kasi natin is equal to rate. Is equal to speed yan. Speed or rate. Equal to rate dapat siya. So, ang given sa atin ay, hindi given ang distance. Ay, given bang distance? Given ang distance, hindi given ang time. So, paano natin isa-solve yun? Same time. Wait lang. How do we do that? Ibig sabihin ba, 20, is that what it means? 20 km per hour? Same time pala. So, yun na pala yung rate. Rate na yun, di ba? Rate na ba yun? 12 kilometers upstream in the same time. Kunyari sabihin na lang, in the same time, it can travel 12 kilometers upstream. Rate na ba yun? Hindi pa. 40? Sabi niya, basic mag-google ka lang. We learned this in grade 8, guys. I remember learning this in grade 8 kasi nagkaroon kami ng quiz bee about this sa classroom. Hanggang anong oras? Usually, before 10. Thank you for following. If you guys are new here, make sure to follow. 36? What are we looking at? I think that's the rate na. So, try it natin i-solve, guys. Walang x. Kailangan natin ng x. Dapat ba, given na pala si x. Given na si x. So, given na si x and si y. Okay, try na lang natin i-solve muna. Hello, Ken. Si x na naman. Hala, same kayo ng sinabi. Si x na naman. Dump and gray. Baka you're meant to be. Nahanap na pala natin si x. Pinalitan na natin siya ng 8. O, diba? Dapat kasi pinapalitan ng x, guys. Huwag kayong mag-dwell. Char. What do we do here? We have to... Hala, pag kinancel natin, mawawala. Ano ba yung hinahanap? Bakit wala tayong x? Feel ko dapat may time here. What do you think, guys? Per hour? Hindi kasi natin alam if r, isang r yung ano. I think we have to put it over time. Kasi hindi given yung time. Yes or no? I don't know. Wait. If it can travel 20 kilometers downstream at the same time, what is the rate of the stream? Or do we not need to put a time? Find x and y. We already have minus para maging positive y. Okay, try muna natin yan. If we minus this, wala tayong answer key dito, guys. So, I don't know what we're gonna do. Let's try to minus this. If we minus this, magiging 0 ito. And then this will be 2y plus 2y is equal to 8. So y is equal to 4. Is that the answer? I think that's the answer. If we're looking for y. How'd you get 20? It's given over here. I think that's the answer, right? Mas simple pala siya kesa dun sa isang example kanina. Okay lang overtime, weekend naman. 2 po sagot? Bakit 2? How'd you get 8? 8 is given over here. X is equal to 8. In still water. Saan yung 2? Oh, kasi we added this up, guys. Y minus negative y is equal to 2y. Y minus negative y is equal to 2y. Ah, what is the rate of the stream? The rate of the stream is 4. 4, guys, yung rate ng stream. Bakit? Joke, mali siya, guys. Hindi ba mali? Hindi siya gumaga. Ba't parang mali? Walang unit. Wait lang, feel ko mali, guys. Kasi, when we solve this, dapat 8 plus y, diba, is equal to 20. Bakit siya nagiging... Bakit siya 8 plus 4? Wait, my brain. Di po ba i-change yung sign ng negative y? Mag-change nga siya. It will become positive, kaya siya naging 2y. But I don't think this is 12. Dapat hindi siya equal to 12. I think it has to be 12 over a time. 12 over t. And over t. So this will become 8 over t. Pero hindi given yung time. So, that will just be 4 over time. Kung ano man yung time na yun. Can we skip? We're gonna skip. We usually go live at 8 p.m. We're skipping. I do not want to answer that one. Wala din namang answer key. So, yes, I think we can go back now since my brother is gone. I'm going back to the easier questions. Can we go back to here? If that's alright with you guys. UPCAT passer. I passed the UPCA, so no test during our time because it was the pandemic. But I did pass the UP based on my grades. So, 2020 is when I applied, kaya walang UPCAT. Okay, warm up lang pala yun. Next question. The expression x over x squared plus 9 times x minus 5 represents a real number for all real values of x except. So, saan daw walang value si x? Kailan hindi magkaka-value si x? So, ang tawag dito ay domain ba ang tawag dito? So, kailan hindi magkaka-value si x? Kapag nagiging 0 yung ilalim. Kapag 0 yung denominator. Tama. Kapag 0 yung denominator, magiging not real number siya. Kasi a number can't be divided by 0. Okay? A number can't be divided by 0. Is that correct? A real number. I think it shouldn't be except. Parang baligtad. But the answer here, I'll put up the poll, restarting the poll. Dapat baligtad siya, guys. Kasi pag naging equal to 0 yung ilalim, undefined na siya or hindi na siya real number. So, what we have to do is know the roots nitong number na to. Yung x squared plus 9, ano yung root nito? You have to move it, i-equate mo siya sa 0. Tapos dapat yung number na yun, hindi yun kasama sa domain. So, it will be x squared is equal to negative 9. Tama ba? X squared is equal to negative 9. Wait, no. Oh, yeah. X squared is equal to negative 9. And then, square root both sides. Hindi pwede i-square root. Tama. X is equal to square root of negative 9. There's no square root of negative 9. So, pwede technically, etong 3 and si 3. Right? Pwede si positive 3 and negative 3. Kasi, hindi pala siya part ng root. Tapos now, Oh, tama pala. Yes, tama. So, letter C ang sagot nila. Let's see. So, yung x minus 5 naman, x minus 5 is equal to 0. X is equal to 5. So, bawal siya maging 5, guys. So, mali ito. Ay, tama. So, pwede ang negative 5. Kaya the answer should be letter C. I think my brain's dead right now. 3C. Kasi si kapatid ko kasi started it off. I wanted to answer this kanina pa. UPCAT reviewer. Bawal daw siya ipakita, guys. Paano natin sasagutan yung UPCAT reviewer together? Okay, ulitin ko, guys. So, when you say kasi real number, bawal maging 0 yung ilalim. And para malaman, for example, I'll give us a smaller example. Smaller example, x over x minus 2. Kailan magiging bawal? Ano ang bawal na number dito sa domain na to? So, any number can be a real number except kapag yung ilalim ay magiging equal to 0. So, yung number na yun, yes, 2. The number is 2 because equate mo sa 0, move it to the other side, that will be x is equal to 2. Kasi pag 2 ang x, magiging 2 over 2 times 2 minus 2. And that's equal to 2 over 0. So, hindi yun real. Hala, wait guys, look. I learned something. If you don't have a tablet yet and you're looking to buy either iPad or Samsung, I learned that we have this thing called Math Solver. And then, if I write something like this, give me a number, 33 plus 2. And then, it solves it on its own. I didn't write that. Look, I won't write the last number. The color blue, siya yung nagsasolve. Square root of 169 is equal to. Wow! It's solving it on its own. Oh, ganun din sa iPad. I didn't know. Sorry. But I just saw it today. But I don't need it. I have my brain anyway. So, 2 over... What will happen? 2 over 2 minus 2 is equal to... What will it give? Oh, it gives undefined. So, undefined siya. So, yes, that's undefined. What do we do now? So, going back sa number na to, when the number is bigger, for example, I'll give a bigger number naman. Try natin. So, x over x squared minus 4 and x plus 1. So, ano ang mga bawal maging x? Ang tawag dito is the domain. When you look at the domain kasi, any number ay pwede sa x except these numbers kasi yung ilalim ay magiging equal to 0. So, yes, negative 1 is 1. What else is hindi pwede? So, ang gagawin natin dyan, isahin natin. So, we know this x plus 1. Ang gagawin lang natin dyan is x plus 1 is equal to 0. That's just x is equal to negative 1. So, bawal na agad maging negative 1 ang x. Okay? What about si x squared minus 4? What do we know? What concept ito, guys? What concept is this? This is basically the difference of two squares or isolve lang natin pala. Madali lang pala siya isolve. So, x squared, hala. No, stop solving for me. I don't want you. X squared minus 4 is equal to 0. X squared is equal to 4. Square root both sides. That will give us, square root both sides, that will give us x is equal to positive negative 2. So, bawal siya maging positive negative 2. Kaya, ang mga number na bawal dyan ay plus 2, minus 2, and negative 1. Positive 2, minus 2, and negative 1. So, for this number naman, guys, yun din gagawin natin. For this number over here, yung sinagutan natin kanina, bawal maging positive 5, right? So, from dun pa lang, kita mo na ito na agad yung sagot. Letter C agad. Bakit ang answer positive 5? Kasi it's asked except. Represents a real number. So, ang tanong dyan is x. Which numbers ang pwede maging x except? So, when you're equating it to 0, yun ang mga bawal maging x. The app is Samsung Notes. Yes. Next, Jom. I'll look for another reviewer if you want Jom for the next one. But we're gonna finish this reviewer na lang kasi patapos na tayo. Okay, let's try to finish this page today, guys. Onti na lang naman. If 6 cubed multiplied by 5 raised to 5 is equal to 25 raised times 30k, then what is the value of k? Hala! starting the poll while I drink some water, guys. Replay live, yes, you can watch it on YouTube. So, we've done around 25 days of reviewing already. Iba yung manufacturing engineering sa management engineering. You're more on sa manufacturing talaga. What is the answer? What is the answer? What are we gonna do here? So, this is law of exponents. So, for example, we know kasi, diba, 6. So, this is basically 6 times 6 times 6 times 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 times 5. So, ang gagawin natin, itatry natin i-form ito para malaman kung ano ang sagot or what is 30 raised to k. So, what are we gonna do first? Wala pang live record ng batch niya, Nico. So real. Wala pang ang face cam ng Nico, diba? Wala pang face reveal. Tapos back cam lang ng phone ko. So, first, we're gonna get the 25. Yung 25, makukuha natin from dalawang 5. 5 times 5 is equal to 25. So, okay, let's move this. 5 times 5 is equal to 25. Kaya tanggal na agad si 25. So, x na natin yan. And then, as you can see, 6 times 5. Tapos na ba ang poll? Answer the poll, guys. Kita nyo na ba ang hint? I already gave a hint. What's the answer? Is it A, B, C, or D? Wala pang sumasagot ng poll. 20 pa lang. 1K tayo dito. Answer the poll right now. A, B, C, or D. Can you see the answer right away? So, 25 times 'diba, 6 times 5 is 30. 6 times 5 isang 30. 6 times 5 isang 30. And 6 times 5 isa pang 30. So, pag pinagsama natin yung tatlong 30, that's 25 times 30 raised to 3. So, the answer is letter A. Did you guys get that? It was kind of easy, right? We got the answer. Do you have any questions on this number? Grabe sa math. Amazing. Yes, it's so amazing. Right. Thank you. Why 3? Because tatlo yung 30. Tatlo yung 30 na nagawa natin. Kasi yung natira is tatlong 6 and 5. Tatlong 6 and tatlong 5 yung natira. So, inisa-isa natin siya. We got isang 6 times 5 is this 30. 30 pala, but 33. 6 times 5, etong 30. And then, 6 times 5, etong 30. So, dahil tatlong 30 sila, it becomes 30 cube. Ganun lang siya. Yes. Another example. I don't know how to make up an example. Okay, let me try. Let's try to make an example, guys. I'll make an example over here. Try natin 4 and 5. 4 raised to 8. 5 raised to 6 is equal to 16 times 20k. What is k, guys? 4 raised to 8 times 5 raised to 6 is equal to 16 times 20k. What is the answer? I actually don't know. Oh, is it... Oh, don't look at the choices. Just give me a number. Yes, it's 6. So, basically, we have dalawang 4. Ang gagawin lang natin dyan, hiwalay natin si 16. Saan makukuha yung 16? 4 squared is equal to 16. So, tatanggalin natin yung 4 squared dito. Magiging 4 raised to 6 times 5 raised to 6 siya. And dahil same sila ng exponent, pwede na siya maging 4 times 5 raised to 6. So, that's equal to 16 times 4 times 5 raised to 6 raised to 6. So, that's 20 raised to 6. So, the answer is, the answer is 6. Yes. Yes? Is the person?
I don't know.
Ask on one. Not yet.
Are you live?
Yeah, I'm live. Almost done. Baka mag-shade kayo ng E sa UPCAT. Wala namang shape ng E, diba, Nico? Hopefully. Masanay sila sa letter E. Okay, number 84 na. Number 84, guys. We're back to radicals. Oh my god. Remember how we started with radicals? Who was that? My brother, guys. I have a twin brother and I have a younger brother. The younger brother is the one that always shows up on the live. And then, my twin brother doesn't like being on camera. Ha? Kala mo talaga. What? Oh, he's busy. Allow sa man sabi ng proctor. Saan yung Regine Velasquez sa choices? We're restarting the poll. Make sure to start your votes. So, how do we answer this, guys? How do you answer this? So, basically, start tayo sa loob, okay? We have to look inward on ourselves. Remember, paano tayo... What? There? I don't. Later. 10 minutes. Okay, I'm leaving the live in 10 minutes, guys, because my brother has tea. Fraternal, pag girl and boy, fraternal twins yan. So, remember, pagdating sa radicals, for example, 9. 9 squared is basically 3 and 3. 3 and 3. Tapos, x raised to 4. Gate kasi ito, guys. Remember, this is a gate, kailangan lumabas ng mga numbers. Paano siya lalabas? So, ito yung gate ng bahay nila. Ito yung gate ng subdivision. So, mamaya na siya lalabas ng subdivision. Hala, mayaman pala sila, naka-subdivision sila. So, this is 3 and 3. And kapag walang number dito, we know na square root siya. Okay, ito kasi fourth root. Fourth root siya. Pag walang number, square root lang siya. So, what do? Dahil dalawa ang 3 over here, basically, pwede na natin siya ilabas, right? So, pag nilabas natin siya, magiging 3 na lang siya. And then, what about this x raised to 4? Ilang x ang pwedeng lumabas? Dahil 4 ang x, you have to divide it by the number over here. Kasi by pair sila lalabas. So, ilang x? Ano yung exponent ng x, guys? Is it 2 or 4? 2 or 4? Yes, it's x squared. Thank you, Riley and Mark and Jane. So, that's 3x squared ang lalabas. So, i-rewrite na natin yun. That will be equal to fourth root of 27x squared times 3x squared. So, nalabas natin ng buo, walang natira sa loob ng gate ng bahay nila. Okay, amazing. Right, Nico? People are actually learning right now. So, what do we do next? Next, need natin lumabas ng gate na by 4. Group yourselves into 4. The boat is sinking. The Bluetooth device. So, ilang 3 ang meron dito? We have to divide this. This is 9 times 3. And this can be divided by 3 and 3. So, ang root nito ay 3 times 3 times 3. Tapos, may isa pa tayong 3 dito. So, 4 na yung 3 natin. Kaya, pwede na lumabas si 3 ng subdivision. 4 ang 3, the family of 3 will go out. So, magiging 3 na ang labas dito. Lagay lang natin yung equal sign. Lumabas na si 3. What's next? What about this x squared and x squared? Pwede ba sila lumabas? Yes or no? Pwede ba lumabas ang x squared and x squared? So, pag x squared times x squared, 4 na yung x, diba? So, it can come out. So, x squared coming out will become just x. Kasi, di-divide mo siya by 4. So, the answer is 3x, which is just letter B. Letter B. Wow, you guys got that. Amazing. B for Bam Aquino Slay. Pwede rin po ba sagutan sa TikTok yung reviewer from UPCAT? I'm not sure if pwede, guys. Baka pagalitan tayo ng UP. Baka ako pang mapagalitan. Char. I don't know. We're gonna see. I'm gonna try to find a way to make similar questions dun sa questions na meron yung UPCAT reviewer. So, yes. Just make sure to follow. Yes, if you're new here, make sure to follow. Bakit dumami yung tao kung kailan matatapos na? Char. Next question. We can still do maybe 1 or 2 more. Yes. Thank you for sharing the live. If you're new here, make sure to follow. We go live every day. By the way, UPCAT is in 15 days. 15 days, guys. Are you even locking in? Is it clocking to you? You know that Justin Bieber meme? We're gonna try to go live every day. For sure, I can go live tomorrow. So, yes. Censor, please. Censor the word UPCAT. The UPCAT is in... The U word is in 15 days. What is the remainder when 2x raised to 4... Let's write it down. 2x raised to 4 minus x cubed plus 3x minus 1 is divided by x plus 2. We're gonna use the remainder theorem, guys. Remainder theorem, if you're new here, is kapag... Tama ba? In-equate ba dito? What is the remainder theorem? Kakaturo ko lang to mga 1 month ago. Is it, kailangan ba equate dito or 2 ang gagamitin? So, ang gagawin natin, guys, we have to... What is the root of x plus 2? The root of x plus 2 is equal to x plus 2 equals 0, x is equal to negative 2. So, gagamitin natin yung negative 2. We're gonna use negative 2. And kapag pinasok natin siya dito sa mga number na to, makukuha natin ang remainder. So, we're just gonna substitute x as negative 2. That will be 2 times negative 2 raised to 4 minus negative 2 cubed plus 3 times negative 2 minus 1. Okay? Pa-shout. We block the people. We block the people like this. Goodbye. You're blocked. I love blocking people. It's so fun. Okay. Yes. Next, what do we do, guys? This will be 16, 2 times 16 minus, what is negative 2 cubed? That will be negative 8. So, minus negative 8 is just same as plus 8, right? Mamaya na. And then, minus 6 minus 1. So, this will be 32. 2 times 16 is 32 plus 8 minus 6 minus 1. What's the answer, guys? 32 plus 1 is equal to 33. The answer is letter... Ay, hindi ko na-start yung poll. We should have started the poll. The answer is letter D. Very basic, so easy. What the hell and what? So easy, am I right, guys? You just have to substitute it. That's called the remainder theorem. Gusto ko yung sumagot pa rin kayo ng poll. I love that about you. Pwede din synthetic division. Do you guys wanna learn synthetic division? Yes? Ay, kasi mahirap yun. My brain just... Late na po. Meron po bang IE reviewer? Check out the Google Drive. Madaming reviewer dun. I'm not sure. Mas mahaba yung synthetic, guys. Let's go to the next question. Next question or synthetic division? Wait. Do you guys... Kaso hindi naman kailangan yung synthetic for that. But you love synthetic. Okay, you want to learn synthetic? Okay, how do we teach synthetic division? So, basically, guys, kapag hiningi kasi, pwede mo siya... Pag remainder theorem, isubstitute nyo na lang. Pero, ginagamit ang synthetic division as a shortcut to long division. Okay? Shortcut siya to long division. So, let's use this example. 2x... Hanap tayo ng example. 2x4 minus... Okay. Let's write it down over here. I just need a blank space. 2x4 minus x cubed. 2x4 minus x cubed plus 3x. Hello to the 1.7 people over here. Welcome to the live. If you're new here, we teach the UPCAT math every day. And then the UPCAT is in... Wait, kailan ang UPCAT? 3x. UPCAT is in 15 days. So, if you haven't started reviewing, time to start following me and being in the live every day. Thank you, Raya, for the rose. Tama na po muna. Last na, guys. Synthetic division, and then we can end here. We usually go live at 8 p.m. to 8 to 10 p.m. So, next time, agahan nyo. Char. Madami kasing tao sa ibang lives. Like, before I started going live, I saw that ang dami kasing nagtuturo talaga ng math, no? Na live. So, madami ding ibang napupunta sa ibang classroom. So, that's okay. There's nothing wrong with that. What are we gonna do here? When it comes to synthetic division, guys, ang kailangan is you have to make this L shape over here, and then you have to write down all the coefficients of each number. So, diba, x raised to 4, write down the coefficient 2. And then x raised to 3, ang coefficient niya ay negative 1. Kailangan din yung x squared. Since walang x squared dito, ano yung coefficient niya? Since walang x squared dito, section A daw tayo. Grabe naman. Ano ang coefficient ng, yes, rayin, it's 0. So, 0 kasi walang x squared. Tapos, write down 3 and negative 1. So, kinapi lang natin yung lahat ng coefficient. Tapos, anong next na gagawin natin? I think we have to write the... Guys, guide me. Is it negative 2 or positive 2? Are we using negative 2 or positive 2 for the synthetic division? Negative 2, no? Yes. Negative 2 sa labas. So, dito kasi yung nakakalito na part. For me, remainder theorem, negative 2 din pala. Both negative 2 ang gagamitin. Could be positive or minus, really? Okay. Okay, so we're using negative 2 daw sa labas. Let's see if we're gonna get the correct answer. I'm not so sure yet. So what we're gonna do, guys, is negative 2 sa labas, copy the 2 down here. Copy the 2 down here. Yung una lang yung i-bring down. And then what you're gonna do is, tama ba? 2 times negative 2. 2 times negative 2. So this is 2 times negative 2. Tama ba yung ginagawa natin? No, you switch the sign. Is it positive or negative 2? Oh, below the bar. Okay, below the bar daw siya. Below the bar, 2. This will be positive and negative 2. 2 times negative 2 is negative 4. And then need mo lang i-add itong dalawa. This added will be negative 5. Then negative 5 times negative 2 will give us negative 10. So let me write that down. That will be negative 10. Positive 10. Positive 10. And then that will add 0 plus 10. That will give you 10. 10 times negative 2 is negative 20. So negative 20 times plus 3 is equal to negative 17. And then negative 17 plus times, hala, nalito siya. Negative 17 times 2 is equal to positive 34. And then, positive 34 plus 1 is equal to 33. We got it, guys! Tapos, ang sagot dyan ay remainder itong nasa dulo, which is same sa sagot natin over here. Remainder is 33. So, if you wanna use this way, 33 ang remainder. Tapos, ang sagot dyan ay this is the coefficient. Tapos, this is x, and this is x squared, and this is x cubed. So, remember, nanggaling tayo sa x raised to 4. X raised to 4 yung start natin. Tapos, yung answer niyan ay remainder itong nasa dulo. Usually, 0 ang remainder. Pag 0 ang remainder, ibig sabihin, factor siya. Okay, factor siya nung number na yan. Tapos, chill ka lang. Why? Am I like aggressive right now? Where po galing yung 0? Dito sa x squared. Dahil walang x squared tayo. Because walang x squared, kailangan natin maglagay ng 0. Kasi dapat this is x raised to 4, raised to 3, raised to 2, raised to x, raised to 1, tas raised to 0. So, hindi pwedeng mag-skip lang ng isa. Kailangan isama pa rin siya. Y negative 2, yun yung 0. So, dinivide lang natin. When you divide x plus 2, yung equate mo siya sa 0, which is negative 2. Excuse me. My brain is not braining kasi 10 p.m. na, guys. Feel ko nag-relapse na kayo. So, do you guys wanna... Tomorrow, I'm free. Pwedeng dalawa. If gusto niyo mag-live ng afternoon, pati gabi. If gusto niyo lang, pwede tayo mag-live ng afternoon, pati gabi tomorrow. But yes, what do you think? Or just gabi tomorrow? Kasi Saturday naman. Yes or no? Or gabi lang? I'll put up a poll sa Instagram channel. So, kung mag-IG, make sure to join the Instagram channel. Okay? Join the Instagram channel and I'll vote over there. So, yes, we're ending over here, I think, synthetic division, unless, tapos bukas, tapusin na natin hanggang 100. And then, hanap tayo ng bagong reviewer. And then, we don't have kuryente. You can watch the recordings. If you can't join the live tomorrow, you can watch the recordings. Make sure to subscribe, guys. We're trying to get more subscribers. Yes, 2 sessions tomorrow. I'll make a poll sa Instagram channel. So, just make sure to check that out. And then, like the reel I just made, haha. Meron ka tricks for fundamental trig identities. May tricks tayo for trigo. Hindi pa natin na-discuss yung trigo, guys. Kasi ayaw nyo tapusin yung analytic geom. Like, di pa natin tapos yung analytic. Okay. Are we ending here, guys? Just make sure to follow me on Instagram. Instagram is over here. Tapos, you can pick a new reviewer that you guys want to do. Or, baka ano na lang, isang live lang tayo bukas. Tapos try ko gumawa ng isang TikTok video about the UPCAT reviewer na official. So, I'll try to make a TikTok video ng isang question dun. Actually, yung mga TikTok na nagawa ko na actual TikTok video, galing yun sa UPCAT reviewer, yung iba dun. So, yung UPCAT reviewer last year, I'm not sure, check nyo nga if same, guys. Pero if you check out this highlight, makikita ba here? TikTok. Go to the highlight over here. Oopsies. Hala, hindi siya pwede landscape. Wait here. Landscape. And then go to this UPCAT review updates highlight. Ay, hindi yun. Go to the playlist. Asan yung playlists ko? The playlist over here na UPCAT. And then you
So I've been doing UPCAT reviews here on TikTok. Chat,
This one is from the official UPCAT from last year. Official UPCAT question ito. And then this one is also an official UPCAT question. So I'm gonna look for official UPCAT questions and make videos about them. Okay, is there any more questions? We can leave at 10. You remember this, Nico? Yeah, I remember this too. So somebody sent it to me already. I'll try to make TikTok videos either tonight or tomorrow, okay? Jediah. Magdasal ka na. Guys, you have 15 days left, so come back tomorrow and on the next day. My hair is so frizzy, that's so crazy. Look at my hair over here. But yes, let's put down the volume. Ayan.
Chat,
Whoa, gumagana pala yung audio niya. Let's turn this off. This is the videos. You can check them out, guys. Here. Yes. We're gonna end at 10:08 because I like that number, 10:08. You guys have any questions? Drop your questions, guys. We're gonna finish this tomorrow, so if you want, assignment nyo, guys, if hindi pa kayo tapos, study nyo na to. Study nyo na to right now para bukas sasagutan na lang natin together. Yes, you're welcome. Thank you, Nico, for being here. Nico, how is your SEM so far? Or mid-year ba ngayon? If you haven't started reviewing, my tip for you is to start sa hardest subject na meron ka. For me, if ngayon pa lang ako mag-aaral, I would start with science and watch a lot of science videos sa YouTube, mga lectures, kasi yun yung makakatulong. Wala kang mid-year, good for you, Nico. Nico's not my brother, he was here sa first batch. Wait, I'm almost done. Why? Wait. It's missing. Check mom's room.
You're almost done?
Yes, I'm almost done. We're done na.
What?
Paano nakuha yung 10? Oh, wait. Let's go back. I'll show you paano nakuha yung 10. Wait, Ronan, my serum is missing. I'll bring it to your room later. You can use this one.
Mine na lang.
How did we get... Fine. Stop coming back. Bye.
Bye.
So, how did we get 10 here? You multiply 4 times 2. Joke. 5 times 2. 5 times 2. 10:08. Oh my god, it's 10:08. Do we end or do I keep explaining? Okay, we'll end at 10:10 just because the person asked questions. So 5, diba, what we first did, bring down 2. 2 times negative 2 is negative 4. And then add the negative 1 to negative 4, which will give you negative 5. Tapos yung next number dito sa baba, i-multiply mo ulit dito. Negative 2 times negative 5. And that will give you 10. So, kasi negative sila pareho. And then, 0 plus 10 is 10 dito sa baba. Tapos, you have to just multiply it over here again. And that will give you 20. And then, add this again sa baba. And then, multiply again yung 17 times negative 2. Which will give you 34. Tapos, 1 plus 34 is positive 33. Just guess the answer. No, guys. This is very easy, basic. You don't have to guess the answer for this one. Marami po bang grade 11 topics? Hindi masyado. So amazing. Thank you, Mythical. Yes. Bye, Rutherfordium. See you tomorrow, guys. Come back tomorrow. We're gonna be going live. Check out the Instagram channel, okay? Okay. Bye, guys. Ay, 1 minute pa. Grade 10 yan na. This is grade 10? Yeah, grade 10. Pero mostly grade 7 to grade 10 ang lesson. Any more questions? Oh, we're ending in 1 minute. Thank you, Nico, for being here. By the way, Nico was from the first batch of the UPCAT review I started. So, he's now in UP Manila. Kaya lagi siyang tumutulong. That's why Nico is here. So, yes. Anong year mo? I just graduated college. Yes. 10-10, guys. Time na. Thank you, somebody. Bye, guys. 8 p.m. again tomorrow. Or just check the Instagram so I can let you know. Did I say Manila, Nico? I keep thinking UPM ka. UPM. Tas Mindanao. Mindanao pala si Nico. Very prideful siya sa Mindanao. Okay, goodbye, guys. Come back tomorrow, Nico, if you're free. You said Manila. That's crazy. Bye, boy, not so genius. Bye, UPD, UP Davao. Bye, Lilac. See you guys tomorrow before it turns 10:11. I'll upload the annotated file right away. Okay? Goodbye. See you tomorrow. Bye, Mythical. Bye, somebody. Bye, Zoe. Bye, Iris. Bye, Nico. See you tomorrow.